These 8 exercises will increase male endurance during sex for men in the United States. Let's face it, sexual health and endurance are just as important as physical fitness. But many men struggle with stamina as they get older. If you've noticed a dip in your energy or endurance in the bedroom, you're not alone. The good news is that regular exercise can improve blood flow, strengthen your pelvic muscles, and boost your overall stamina. In this video, we'll break down 8 exercises that can help increase male endurance during sex so you can feel more confident, energized, and perform at your best. Let's jump right in. Kegels, pelvic floor exercises. Kegel exercises are a game changer for improving male endurance. These exercises target the pelvic floor muscles, which play a crucial role in sexual function and control. By strengthening these muscles, you can improve your ability to last longer and control your ejaculation. To do a Kegel, simply contract the muscles you use to stop the flow of urine, hold for a few seconds, and then relax. Doing this regularly can lead to better stamina, firmer erections, and improved sexual performance. It's a simple, discrete exercise you can do anywhere to build your pelvic strength over time. Squats. Squats are one of the best full-body exercises for building strength and endurance, especially in the legs and core. Stronger legs mean better control and stamina during sex, and squats work to enhance blood flow throughout the body. This exercise also engages the core and lower back muscles, giving you better posture and balance in the bedroom. When you add weight to squats, you're not only building muscle, but also increasing your cardiovascular endurance, which helps improve overall stamina. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are another excellent exercise for boosting male endurance. They target the entire posterior chain, including the hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. These muscles play a critical role in maintaining stamina and control during sexual activity. Deadlifts also improve overall strength, which helps in performing physically demanding positions or movements. The improved posture, flexibility, and blood flow you get from deadlifts directly contribute to better endurance during sex. Hip thrusts. Hip thrusts are incredibly effective for strengthening the glutes, hamstrings, and core, all of which are involved in sexual performance and endurance. A strong, active hip area helps with thrusting motions and stability, both key factors in maintaining stamina during sex. This exercise also engages the pelvic floor, improving blood flow to the area, enhancing sexual performance. By incorporating hip thrusts into your workout, you'll see improved power and control, translating to increased confidence and endurance in the bedroom. Start with bodyweight hip thrusts and progress to adding weight for an added challenge. Planks. Planks are a fantastic core strengthening exercise that helps improve overall stability and endurance. A strong core supports proper posture and stability during sex, allowing you to maintain positions and movements for longer periods of time. Planks also engage the glutes, shoulders, and arms, creating an all-around strengthening effect. When your core is strong, you can stay in more physically demanding positions without tiring out quickly. Hold planks for as long as possible, then gradually increase the time as you build endurance. This exercise is a key part of enhancing both sexual performance and stamina. Lunges. Lunges are excellent for building lower body strength, particularly in the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. The lower body plays a huge role in controlling movements and holding positions during sex, so lunges are a great way to increase endurance in those muscle groups. This exercise also promotes balance and stability, which can help you stay in control and last longer. Lunges improve flexibility in the hips and legs, making it easier to transition between different sexual positions. Perform lunges regularly to strengthen your legs and enhance your overall sexual stamina. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a dynamic, high-intensity exercise that boosts cardiovascular endurance. When you perform mountain climbers, you engage your core, legs, and shoulders while raising your heart rate. This exercise is particularly useful for improving your overall stamina, so you can last longer in all physical activities, including sex. The quick, explosive movement also improves coordination and agility, which can enhance your ability to perform various positions and maintain control. Incorporate mountain climbers into your routine to increase your endurance and energy levels in the bedroom. Cardio, cycling. Cardiovascular exercise is one of the best ways to improve your overall stamina, and it has a direct impact on sexual endurance. Regular cardio, like running, cycling, or swimming, helps improve blood circulation, which is essential for erections and overall sexual health. It also increases your lung capacity, allowing you to maintain energy and stamina for longer periods. Consistent cardio will help you develop the cardiovascular endurance necessary to last longer during sex, as it improves your overall fitness and energy levels. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate cardio several times a week to see improvements in both your stamina and performance. If you found these exercises helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and fitness tips. Stay strong, stay confident, and keep moving towards better performance.